Advanced Dermatology, how can I help you?
Yes, hi. I am currently on your website and I see that you are offering a laser treatment for prominent blood vessels.
Yes, we do have the XLV laser. Are you interested in scheduling a consultation with Dr. Green?
And I am assuming the V stands for vampire?
No, it stands for vascular.
Tell me, do all of the patients that come to you for this treatment have prominent blood vessels?
I'm not exactly sure what you're asking, but since the XLV is a vascular laser, we see patients with conditions like cherry angiomas, spider veins, telangiectasia, vascular birthmarks, venous lakes.
Venous lakes. Excellent. Tell me more.
Well, there's not too much downtime, except for a couple of weeks you will be more sensitive to sunlight, so we can recommend you a really good sunscreen.
I despise sunlight, so that's a non-issue for me.
Did you have any more questions for me?
No, thank you. I will just be silently observing for now.
Observing?
Researching. I will be researching the laser treatment for now.
Blair, does the laser treatment work on vampires?
Shut up! I'm on the phone! Thank you, you have been very helpful.
That was super weird. To schedule a consult with our cosmetic dermatologist, Dr. Green, visit our website at www.advanceddermatologyseattle.com or contact us at 206-402-4797.